Hi guys, this is Dr. Michelle and this is my foot and my toes. And I am treating a long time bunion that flares up when I run for a long distance, and also probably a little bone spur that I have up here. The bunion that I have is through here, and it gets a little bit angry and a little swollen. The lighting in my studio right now, I've got the infrared heat lamp going as well for therapy, which I'll show you here. And that's going to help to really help produce some deep heat and healing into the area for pain. And then I've got the, I just got out of the infrared heat sauna, which is really good for joints and pain. I did about 20-30 minute treatment of that, and then now I'm laying on the table doing acupuncture, infrared heat. I'm going to do some Chinese herb moxibustion heat over the area for trauma and to help heal the area. So I'm treating along the spleen channel primarily, and then I've got one over here for the liver channel just to help move chi and blood and soothe and move and keep my emotions stable and blood circulation moving and chi moving. And then the light looks odd in here because I have my AcuMicro light therapy going, the AcuLight therapy, and I'm using both red, yellow, and green light. And that's, I'm sorry, yellow, blue, and red light for all sorts of healing, for anti-aging, memory, all sorts of wonderful things, wrinkles, fine lines, sun damage. So that's why the lighting looks really cool in here. So come in, enjoy, and experience at Dr. Michelle's Medical Services and Spa. You can also get telemedicine appointments, and I can help you that way. Not with the acupuncture and the medical service, spa services, but with many other medical services such as herbal medicine, nutrition, lifestyle consultations. And please go to my YouTube channel at Dr. Michelle Foster. Subscribe. I'm trying to get the weekly videos out to really keep the education going in all various areas of medicine that I practice, and then also some really fun videos. So please subscribe. It helps get the word out about natural medicine and helps Dr. Michelle and her practice as well, and helps many patients if we spread the word. So bless you, love you all, and take great care of yourself. Self-care. We got to calendar that into our schedule. Make that our non-negotiable time. So enjoy. I'm going to try to do a close-up as we leave here, and hopefully, oh, there we go. There's some different color. Okay, guys. So hope you enjoyed seeing my foot and the beautiful acupuncture. It's like artwork, and it works like magic. Okay. Love you all. Ciao for now. Much healing.